Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you is your Windows 11 laptop running slow, lagging or taking forever to start up. In this video I will walk you through 100% working solution to speed up your system without using any third-party software. So let's get started. First method. One of the main reasons your laptop is slow is because too many apps starting or running automatically in the background. To disable this guys, hold Ctrl key, Shift key and then press escape button from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open the task manager and go to startup app, and here right click on all app and disable all startup apps from here. Okay, like this. So this will reduce your boot time and free up system resources. Method number 2 guys, now you need to clear your temporary files. Over time Windows collect tons of temporary files that can slow down your system. To clear this guys, hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard. It will open the run box, and here you need to type %temp and %, and then hit enter from your keyboard. Select all files and then delete it like this, and then you need to repeat this same method. Once again press Windows key and hold R, and here you need to type NGINX and then hit enter from your keyboard. So this command is not working. Now you need to type only temps on the run box, and again select all files and delete it. That's it. And one more command is there guys. Once again open the run box, and here you need to search prefetch and hit enter from your keyboard. Click on continue, select this all files and delete it. So don't worry while deleting this file guys, these are completely safe to delete. Okay, so it will not delete any important data from your computer. Now let's move to the next step. Windows 11 look great, but all those animation and effect can slow things down on your PC, especially on older laptop. To turn them off, you need to follow this method. Right click on your this PC and go to properties, and here scroll down little bit and find out advanced system settings and open it, and here open the performance settings like this, and here you need to select adjust for best performance option and then click on apply and then click on OK. You will see a big difference in speed, especially when switching between the apps. Okay, so this is the great method you need to try out. Now move to the next method. Windows often uses a balanced power plan that limit performance to save battery. To get more speed, you can try this method. So in the start menu, here you need to search, choose a power plan and then hit enter from your keyboard, and from here you need to select the high performance if the option is showing up here. Okay, select the high performance and save this setting. This will let your process run at full speed. Okay, so outdated driver can cause lag and slow down your PC. You need to update your driver. To update your driver, you need to open the device manager. You need to update your display driver, especially extend driver updates, display adapter, and right click on it and select driver update from here. Okay, so here you can get two options. Try it one by one and then close the settings, and you need to update your Windows PC. To update your Windows PC, go to Windows settings, go to Windows update. From here click on check for updates and update your PC. That's it. Okay, after updating, it will also update your PC driver as well. So this is also very powerful method you can try. So many laptop come pre-installed with unnecessary app, also known as bloatware. To remove this guys, go to your Windows settings like this. In the Windows settings, go to apps, go to install app and uninstall the app which is not in use. Find out and uninstall that app. So this is also free up your space and improve your performance. Okay, now you can try the next method. If your laptop still feels slow and it uses a hard disk, so you need to replace with SSD. Okay, SSD make a massive difference. App and boot time become much faster before. Okay, also if you have multitask a lot, so consider upgrading your RAM as well. So this is the last method to speed up your old laptop with Windows 11 operating system. It is a small investment that gives you huge performance. So I have shown you 6 to 7 easy and effective method to speed up your Windows 11 laptop. If this video helps you, please like, drop a comment if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.